Hello designer. In this part, we have work on the photos. In the last video, we arranged the entire our Figma files in auto layout. So if you see my old video, you can just check it out. You can find how to convert this all the section into auto layout. So in this part, we have work on the images. So let's start with the for the photos. I am always use the freepik tools. So in this freepik we find the photos for our digital agency. I have some collection. Because of time save, I just go here and I have some photos for the digital agency. So I am go here and finding some face that will be showcased like a digital agency. I just go and download freepik. We use the free version. We have to be give author attribution to our design. I just copy this photo and go into the rectangles, our image rectangle, and just paste it. After the pasting, you see the image will be show here. For this I need to be increase some height of the photo so it will look like agencies. So I go here and select the crop features and adding the height of photos. See, here is the best benefit of auto layout. If I am increasing any height of this layout, it will be increase, see, height of your page. So in this we just update our first photos in the hero section. Now we have find one photos for about us. In the about us we can show the team of working people. So I'm go here and just download it. I will share the link in the Figma file so you can just grab it if you want to be use some of photos from it. Okay, in this we got photos. Now we just go here and updating it to be okay. Here is our about photo is set. Now we have to be add icons in our feature sections. For the icon I use tabular icons. Go here and first we have a creativity. So we can just write down here creativity. We can just use the bulb. If you want to be customize some of icon, we can go here and make it little bit 32 and border will be 1.5. I just copy this. Okay, now in this rectangle we just paste our icons. After pasting this icon, it will be not work with this, so I can just remove this rectangle and we use 64 into 64. I just remove this and select this icon and I will give the name, copy it, bulb. Okay, and the bulb again I will create one frame and convert into auto layout. After converting this icon into auto layout, I will give the padding of this icon 16 pixel into 16 pixel. So we got the 56 width of this icon. Now I just give the color of background color for our use and white color. Okay, here I may add the background color and I use the same frame for our next user centric approach features. I just remove this and find the new icons for it. User approach. So you just use the one user icon here, copy, go here and paste it and remove this. Again this black color we can add style white. Copy this again, paste. Efficiency. I just copy this efficiency. For this we can use some spark. So I can just use some spark icon, flash. Okay, we can use this, paste it and remove this user icon, and I will add the white color of it. See, so in the features icon we add our tabular icons. Now we have a portfolio section. For the portfolio section we have to be present like we have some portfolios. So in the right side we have some images. I have downloaded to save our time. You can just check it by in the freepik. You can see this, and you can also go in the new mockup. You can just select devices and download it, whatever you have to be used for your purpose. For now I use this. We have already used in, we have already downloaded it. Go here and I have downloaded this file. Copy, select this box and paste it. Here is the first image, and another one is we downloaded this. Select and this. The same we repeat, use for our time saving. So kind of this image you can use for your portfolio. For the testimonial we need some of avatar photos and everything. So I just go and I have some of collection of avatar photos. So I just go in my one of project and avatar. I use this as a avatar photos. Paste it, select, we can use this one and avatar. Okay, for the block section we use again our collections we have here, and we can use some of these photos for our blog. And again I want to use this one, and okay, our downloading process is completed. Okay, I will go here, selecting these photos and just select this box and update it. Again I use the same photos for the time save. You can use whatever purpose you have a use. Okay, so by doing this you can add these images like in your landing pages. So friends, thank you to watch my entire video. If you want a Figma file, it will be in the description. So if you like, please share my video and subscribe to my channel and comment in the below so I can make more video. It's encouraging to me. Thank you.